In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a document in Pandadoc. Let's start right from the Pandadoc dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your documents. Take a moment to look through that list and find the specific document you want to change. This could be a proposal, a contract, or any other template you've already sent or are preparing to send. When you've found it, simply click on the document name to open it in the editor. When the document opens, you'll be in the main editing view. Here, Pandadoc treats your content in blocks, like text blocks, image blocks, and table blocks. To modify any of these, just click directly on what you want to change. For example, if you see a paragraph with outdated pricing or wording, click on that text block and start typing to update it. Your changes appear instantly, and you can adjust formatting like font size or alignment using the options that appear around or above the block depending on your layout. If you need to update an image, such as a logo or product photo, click on the image block itself. This will let you replace the image, adjust its size, or reposition it within the document section. The same idea applies to tables. Click on a table block to edit the content of each cell, adjust column widths, or add and remove rows as needed. This is especially helpful for quotes, pricing breakdowns, or itemized service lists. Next, let's look at fields, which are especially important for documents that require signatures or information from other people. In the editor, you'll see fields like signature fields and text fields placed throughout your document. If a field isn't in the ideal spot, you can simply drag and drop it to a new location. Click on the field, hold down your mouse, and move it to the exact line or section where you want the recipient to complete it. When you select a field, you'll also see a floating toolbar. This is where you can reassign that field to a different recipient. For instance, if a signature was originally assigned to the wrong person, click the field, open the recipient options in the toolbar, and choose the correct signer. This helps make sure everyone is signing and filling out only the sections that apply to them. As you're working, you don't need to worry about manually saving your progress. Pandadoc includes automatic saving, which means every change you make is stored in real time. You can move from one part of the document to another, close your browser, or step away, and your latest edits will still be there when you return. That's all you need to edit a document in Pandadoc. Open your document from the list, click to modify text, images, or tables, adjust and reassign fields as needed, and let the autosave feature take care of preserving your work.